Welcome to the next video in the Resi upload training. In this video, we're going to discuss event profiles and the importance of them in the upload process. First, we're going to start talking about encoder event profiles. Very simple. It's basically a defined event to tell the video how long it is allowed to stay up into the cloud before it is automatically deleted. We have one event profile. It's 30 days that it deletes. So you can upload an event and up to 30 days later, you can access it before it is automatically deleted out of the cloud. Under the Actions tab, you can view the details and also edit the actual event profile's name and how long you want it to be online for. So 30 is the maximum number of days. So if you need to restream something multiple days, or you want a short event to be staying up online to be accessed by the web page, and we can talk about that another time in another video, this is how you would do it. You can also restrict access to users for these profiles as well. Web event profiles are a little more different. They give a little bit more information. They have a little more abilities to them. So we have here multiple web event profiles for different uses, special services and standard services. These become very important when we go to scheduling and destination settings. So we're just going to dig in here to our main one, which is our Grace Chapel web. A web event profile is set to delete after 6 days. It can be set longer, and we'll look at how you can edit those things. So let's look at the details first. So you can see here it's a public. We have 3 different options with it, but we're going to keep it public so that it's readily available. Again, you can select in the edit function, we'll be able to select how long it stays online for. We do 6 days just so that the cloud storage does not reach its peak amount. We're able to have a standalone web player for this particular profile. These web players change depending on what event is loaded into the event profile. We will go into events a little bit later, talking about web events and how they affect these web event profiles. But just know that this standalone web player is persistent to whatever event is currently active. You can see the content right here, what is currently active. Embed code right here, this is again a persistent link to the web event profile, not the actual event. Again, we'll go into a little more detail on what that means in another video. You can edit your event profile's name, description, enable a stream URL, and change the duration of days that it is still available on the Resi platform. We do 6 days again because we want to clear it out by the 7th day, because we're going to be refreshing it with some new content. Web event profiles, you can add a new one. Again, creating the profile name. Edit where it's coming from, which North America, and its description. And then you just hit create. Web event profiles are extremely important in the next stages as we go through in the next video of events, and we're going to show how these come together to create these events and what the differences between the embed links and the watch now links are in each one. So continue on to the next video for more information.